How do you manage your workload and deadlines?
It is natural for me kasi in attending hearings na alam ko na yung cases before ko pa gawin yung trabaho. So I don't conduct much preparation, and sa deadlines naman I have my junior associates working for those deadlines. But there are times pa rin naman na ako nagpre-pleadings and deadlines if I need to not sleep that night para matapos yung isang pleading, ginagawa kaya. So deadlines is a relevant and big important task for me and sa ini-impose ko sa mga junior associates ko. So kapag may deadlines, hindi pwedeng papasa yan one day before. So I impose 2 days ahead deadline. So para ma-edit ko pa or magawan pa ng solusyon kung may problema. Okay.
Okay.